Hello everyone. Today I am just going to explain very important question of aptitude for placement and interview exam. These type of questions are generally asked in the placement interview exam. Let us see. So this is the question. Ramesh walks at 4 by 5 of a normal speed and takes 60 minutes more than the usual time. What will be the new time taken by the Ramesh? The question is what? Ki Ramesh walks 4 by 5 of his normal speed and then takes 60 minutes more than usual time. Then what will be the new time taken by them? For this type of question, there is a simple technique. What is technique? That is new time equal to given time, that is 60 minutes, divided by 1 minus what is given part of the normal speed. So here 4 by 5 of normal speed. So this is 4 upon 5. When we solve this question, this is 60 upon. This is 1 minus 4 by 5. So you will get 5 minus 4. That is 1 upon 5. So this is how much? 60 into 5. That is 300 minutes. So our correct answer is 300 minutes. So this is the D option, 300 minutes. This is the right answer. Now see the next question. The next question is also very important. 5 persons are sitting in a round table in such a way that the tallest person sits next to the smallest person. Find the number of wheels. So you know, for this type of question, if there are n person sitting around a round table, then total number of wheels for arrangement or sitting is what? N minus 1 factor. But here 5% are given and condition is what? Tallest person sit next to the smallest person. So this tallest and smallest person two become the one. Always sits together. So this is how much? 5 persons. So it will get only 4 persons. So our right answer will be what? That is formula is what? N minus 1 factorial. Here 5 person given, but condition is tallest and smallest always sit together. So tallest and sit always together next to the, that was what? Person sit next to the smallest person, right? So n minus 1 factorial is the formula. So here 5 minus 5% and there is a 2% become 1. So we get only 4. So this is how much? That is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 factorial. So this is how much? 3 factorial. So this is how much? 3 into 2, that is 6. But here condition is what? The tallest person sits next to the smallest person. So there is a two ways. Sometimes smallest person here, tallest person here, sometimes tallest person here, next here. So we will multiply this by 2 also. So we get how much? 6 into 2, 12. So our correct answer is what? 12. So simple question, 5 persons are sitting around a round table and such that the tallest person sits next to the smallest person. So find number of it. For this type of question, we know if there are n persons sitting around a circular table, then our trick is what? N minus 1 factorial. But here condition is that tallest person sit next to the smallest. So tallest and smallest always sit together. So this 2 person become 1 person also. So we get how much? 4 minus 1. So this is 3 factorial and this is 6. But now this 2 person can be arranged by the 2 way. So 6 into 2, 12. So 12 is our right answer. Now see the next question, that is the third question. Third question is what? By selling 99 pence, a trader gains the cost of 33 pence. Then find his gain. So this is the most important question. By selling 99 pence, a trader gains the cost of how much? 33 pence. So find his gain. So for this type of question, so what is the simple technique? That is cost of 33 pence gain. So suppose cost of 1 pen is what? 1 rupee. Then gain is what? 33 pence. That is 33 rupees. And selling of 99 pence. So if we find cost price of 99 pen is what? 99. So we need to find here gain percent. So you know gain percent equal to what? Gain into 100. So here gain is 33. So this is 33 into 100. So gain into 100 divided by cost price. So cost price of 99 pence is what? 99. So this is 99. So 33 is 33 3 is 99. So we get 100 by 3. So this is 33 and 1 by 3% gain is the right answer. For this type of question, there is a simple technique. Selling 99 pence trader gains cost of 33 pence. Find gain percent. Then 33 into 100 divided by 99. Okay. How? Because gain cost of 33 pence. So suppose cost of 1 pen is 1 rupee, then 33 pen is what? 33 rupees. So 33 into 100 because gain percent, gain into 100. And now there is a cost price. So cost price of 99 pen is what? 99. So 33 3 is what? 99. 100 by 3. That is 33 and 1 by 3%. In this way, we have seen all the three important questions. Next question we will do in the next part of the placement and interview questions of aptitudes. Thank you.